2015 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter LTZ. What we got done for it on it for you guys today, it's got the stock converters there, and these ones come with a third converter right there. We cut out the muffler and did a 3-inch pipe in its place and continued it out. We left the resonator, he didn't want it too loud and obnoxious, into a 5-inch tip right there, double wall metal. If you guys want that tip, you can see the description in the link in the description. Came out really nice, clean look. That's how you do a muffler delete on these. Chevy Tahoe 2017 Chevy Tahoe Z71 edition. Really nice car or truck, SUV, whatever you're gonna call it. Anyways, what we got done on it, got stock converters there and there. Then it wires into a single, then 3.5-inch pipe into the catalytic converter, a third one, the dreaded third cat, flex pipe, then 3-inch pipe, and we cut everything off, that muffler and resonator and tailpipe, and dualed it out into a Magnaflow, part number 12198, 3-inch in, 2.5-inch outlet system, dual system. It's got 2 1/4 tailpipes there and there, all the way back into quad tips. Let you see them in a second. And like I was saying in the earlier video, but found out it was slow motion. You've got all these evap lines there. So you got to custom bend this. Let me come out of here. You got to custom bend everything because there's a lot of lines and everything to make sure it clears the spare tire and the evap system. So it can be done, it's just a little bit tricky because it's a tight spot there. They put the evap right there. And there it is. This is the quad tips on it, duals out the back. Hope you guys like it. Chevy Tahoe Z71 2017 5.3 liter V8 beast. 2015 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter. This is what it sounds like stock, with a stock resonator and muffler. You can barely hear it. I'll let you guys hear it after. So this is a 2015 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter V8. This is what we did on it before. This is what we'll show you guys a before video. It's got 3 catalytic converters, then a flex pipe. That's the stock muffler right there. Then it goes over the rear end, and it's got a stock resonator. We'll let you guys hear it after and show you what we did. So this is the Tahoe again. We'll let you guys hear what we did after. So still got the stock converters there and there. Third one right there. Then we put a 3-inch pipe instead of the muffler. And then we put a 3-inch with a 4-inch tip. Double wall. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. That's how it came out. Leave the resonator. Those tips always look really good on those cars. Oh, yeah. There's that massive muffler right, it's not coming up, right there. He didn't want it loud. He does a lot of long trips. That's why we chose the Magnaflow again. Man, I love that look though. That's really pretty. What do you guys think? Let us know. Sound decibels, go ahead. Again. It peaked at 100, which is perfect.
Yeah.
Anything over like 105, 110, that's when it drones a lot inside. So just keep that in mind, guys. It's just really nicely done. And what I love about Magnaflow, you don't hear it when you give it, you only hear it when you give it gas. When it sits still, you barely hear it. Chevy Tahoe. Again, what you guys hear on the inside? Much better. That's the stuff we took off right there.
Inside this 2015 Tahoe, let you guys hear it. Just did a muffler delete. Not too loud, but deep tone.
Chevy Tahoe Z71, 2017. And you know, my usual, we kick the muffler. We don't like mufflers here. So yeah, we put Magnaflow. Magnaflow sounds good on these. Especially with quad tips. Hey, it's only loud when you give it gas. You didn't want drone? We said, we can do that. It's a 14-inch body muffler. Beautiful. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let us know.